Hang on for 1 second. The Jonas Brothers are with us in studio. So we just announced they're going out on tour. By the way, the LA show, August 16th, Universal Amphitheater. I'll put up all the tour dates at ryanseacrest.com. And they got guitars, they got keyboard. Okay, so we're about to perform live. What are we going to do? We'll do a little ditty.
Yes, well, you guys were kind enough to have us at the Jingle Ball for the holiday season last year, and we performed this song. It was kind of an inspiration, a blanket inspiration for the whole record. Frank Ocean, obviously, inspiring a lot of people this year, but we played the song there, and you asked us to play it today on the morning show.
Here we go.
To sing very, very high, very, very early. So thank you, guys, right?
Yeah, Frank Ocean, Jonas Brothers, falsetto.
Think about you. 1, 2, 3. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. Usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like every zone. My eyes don't shed tears before the ball. I'm thinking about you. You know. I'm thinking about you. You know. Thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far? Yeah. 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Do you not think so far? Yeah. But I'm thinking about forever. I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to think you got a beach house I could tell you in Idaho. Think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I guess you got a fighter jet, a ticket to fly it, though I'm lying down. Thinking about you, you know, I've been thinking about you, you know, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me? Do you not think so far? And I'm thinking about forever, yeah. Do you not think so far ahead? I'm thinking about forever, oh. How could I forget how you feel? Yeah, you were my first time, new feel. You don't ever get old, not in my soul, not in spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color black and white. I feel so far. I'm thinking about forever.
Under the pressure of 7:52 in the morning singing that song. Well done. Thinking about you, Frank Ocean. So you said that inspired you a little bit. There was a sort of blanket theme. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, well, it was a major inspiration for us, and luckily we were able to connect with someone that had a part in some of the writing on that record.
Right.
And, you know, we started writing with him, and it really kind of all came along. And I was lucky enough, these guys let me produce the record, the whole thing, front to back. So using those different sounds and kind of taking a different approach. I think when people think Jonas Brothers, they have a very specific thought that comes to mind as to what our sound is like. And we wanted to make sure that it was something different than that and something that challenged ourselves and hopefully them too.
Well, that sounded good.
Thank you very much.
And it worked with the inspiration on the album. So Nick and Joe, every time that you guys hang out with a lady, and there are plenty outside if you want to hang, it's all over the blogs and the magazines. Does that ever bother you?
Sometimes, but I think it's kind of one of those things where you just laugh it off. You kind of have to. Yeah, it kind of bothers me a little bit.
Yeah?
I'm a pretty private person. And the things that I give away in the music most of the time. So it's tough. But
you know when you sign up for this business, it's part of it, right?
Yeah, absolutely. No, you know that going into it. So you just gotta, make sure that your friends are there for you and that you try to keep the things that are important private.
Do you guys have the same group of close friends or different?
We do. We have a lot of similar friends. We also have some individual
I
friends.
have cooler friends.
Our friends fight.
All right, so let me ask you about your friend here. So, Nick, it says there were reports of you and Miley meeting up the other day. Miley tweeted it wasn't true.
Yes.
So what happened?
I read it online, actually, and I was like, oh, it's interesting. I'm at the studio. No, I didn't meet up with her. But no, we're really friendly. We got a good relationship, and I'm happy for her and Liam. And I think that it's one of those things that it's like there are a lot of people that look like me, I guess, in that particular town. So maybe they're running around with Miley.
All right, so season 2 of Married to Jonas coming back also on TV
On the 21st. Yeah,
in
I'm
April.
really excited.
Yeah, you guys have a lot going on.
We have so much, and we go on tour on the show.
Like we planned it.
It's almost as if you had a strategy. But
Yeah. We're excited. The season's really cool. It's a lot of stuff going on in it. So
Yeah.
we're looking forward to everyone seeing it.
fans are excited to have it back on the air. Let me go to, who is this on the line?
Hello?
Hi, is your name Marilee and Barbara?
Yes.
And you're listening to us in Aruba?
Yes.
Wow, I want to go to Aruba. That sounds fun. Can we come over?
Yes.
All right. So you're on with the Jonas Brothers.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Do you live there or are you on spring break?
Spring break.
Ah.
Getting crazy, huh?
And you're up. Call us.
Wow. Impressive.
Yes.
You guys
Oh,
drinking
we live
yet?
here.
They just never went to bed.
Yeah.
Ah.
They're going for...
No, we didn't go to, we basically stayed up the whole night listening to Bob. We bought it at like 11:30, and we kept listening to it till this morning, and now we are listening to it right now.
Excellent. Well, thank you for piping in on your spring break.
Yes, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
All right, Ellen just gave
I like
me
that she calls it bomb-bombs.
Ellen, look at the post-it Ellen just put on my computer screen. Wow. Who wants to read it?
Nick's biceps are huge. Very kind.
But it's because he said he's got to get naked a lot coming up.
Yeah.
I don't know
Just
why he
in
said
general.
that.
Just in general.
I just got to get naked.
That's what he said. It was just there was
Look at my plan. Take the John Mayer approach.
That's why he's such a private person. Yeah. So what are you preparing for? A fight scene?
Not a fight. I'm doing a film. We announced the film, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. It's called Careful What You Wish For, independent film. Start shooting in about 3 weeks. And it's a very intense, kind of sexy thriller. So it requires me not having a shirt on.
Are you also producing and directing that?
No, I'm not. No, not this one. There's a great production and director team, so I'm just happy to be a part of it.
And what about the guns? So you've been hitting the gym doing heavyweight?
Yeah, I've been on this crazy, intense diet, just leaning up, kind of trying to get all toned and,
Yeah, an Outburger diet.
an Outburger diet.
Who would have thought?
But it's been good. I like being healthy, and it's good for my diabetes as well to be in good shape and working hard.
Well, it's paying off. Gentlemen, thank you for coming.
Thank you
Pom-Poms
for
is
having
out on
us.
iTunes.
Yes, go get it.
The fans appreciate you showing up this morning and doing this, and continued success. Always a pleasure to see you guys.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
We'll be back. Jonas Brothers.
You're on air with Ryan Seacrest on Kiss FM.